Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exciting branded residences and the most iconic project of 2025. Here we have Jumeirah Residences, Emirates Towers. A few words about the brand Jumeirah Hotel and Resorts. They have accomplished some of the iconic projects of all times. We have Burj Al Arab. I'm sure you would have heard about the Jumeirah Residences Burj Al Arab, which is the only seven-star hotel in the world. Another iconic project is Jumeirah Residences Marsa Al Arab, which is known for the lifestyle and the coastal living. Couple of other Jumeirah residences worldwide they have in Italy and in Maldives. In fact, the Jumeirah Residences Marsa Al Arab was a collaboration between the Jumeirah Group and the Miras Development. And just like that, now they're going to come together in making another ultra luxurious, serviced, branded development that's going to offer you a lifestyle of exclusivity, originality, and sophistication. The architects of this iconic project is going to be by SCDA. They are a Singaporean brand and they are known for their projects worldwide. Some of the projects worldwide include Shanghai, Jakarta, Bangkok, Bali, New York, Maldives, India, Kuala Lumpur, and many more. Here we have the model of the Jumeirah Residences Emirates Towers. Let's get a better understanding of the landmark. Here is the district of the Emirates Towers. What we already know and existing is these two towers. One is a hotel and the other one is commercial. And this is actually one of the famous towers. So if you have been here in Dubai, even if you're a tourist, then I'm sure you wouldn't have missed this project, these beautiful buildings. It's even in one of the Dubai skyline buildings. Now, what's the close proximity around here is you have the Museum of Future, you have Emirates Metro Station on the left side. Here you're going to have the headquarters of the Dubai Holding, and here is the project location of the new Emirates residences. So basically, this is going to be the first residences that's launching, that's actually for sale within the vicinity of this district. Now, because this is located right at the central part of Dubai, close proximity, you're looking at 7 minutes to Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa downtown, 10 minutes to the city walk, about 20 minutes away from the Bulgari Hotel and Resort, and about just 15 minutes to the Dubai International Airport. Emirates Metro Station is just walkable distance away, and then here on the left side, you have the DIFC area. Here on the right side, you will have also the One Central. In terms of the views, you're going to have spectacular views towards the Dubai Frame One Zabil. And then this way will be facing towards the Burj Khalifa downtown area. I'm going to leave a few renders here of the Burj Khalifa facing from the apartments. And then front facing, you are going to have views towards the Emirates Towers, the Sheikh Zayed Road, and the buildings on that lane. Here we have Tower A, and this is Tower B. Right now, Miras is launching Tower A, which is this one. This is in total G plus 59 floors, and Tower B will be G plus 56 floors. You're going to have one bedrooms, two bedrooms, three bedrooms, and four bedroom apartments. You are going to have a grand entrance where you can give your car for valet. Here, when it comes to the amenities, it is spread across a few floors. Let's start with the one on the ground floor. So you have garden amenities. I'm going to leave it here on the screen. You can pause and have a read. And then on the 27th floor, you are going to have the amenities that's going to include infinity pool facing directly towards the Burj Khalifa. And then you also have amenities on the 35th and the 36th floor. Here as well, you're going to have infinity pool. So you're basically going to have the best of the amenities facing both ways, facing towards the Burj Khalifa and also facing towards the Dubai Frame, One Zabil, and One Central. Pretty much all the one bedrooms here will be located towards the side. So let's say here are the one bedrooms facing, and on the opposite side. The two bedrooms here, you have corner units on both sides and also on the front side. And same with the three bedrooms as well. And the four bedrooms here, you're going to have it on the highest floor. Now, let me get into the sizes and prices. The one bedrooms here will be between 850 to 900 square feet, and the prices here will start from 3.51 million dirhams. The two bedrooms here will be between 1100 to 1150 square feet, and the prices here starting from 4.78 million dirhams. Then you have the two bedroom plus maid. Those will be between 1400 going up to 1600 square feet, and the prices here will start from 6.1 million dirhams. Then you have two different types of three bedrooms. You have the standard ceiling height of 3 meters and another which is going to be double height ceiling of 6 meters. The three bedroom standard ceiling height prices will start from 10.2 million dirhams, and the double height here will start from 11 million dirhams. The four bedrooms here, you have a massive size between 3,400 going all the way up to 6,400 square feet. And the prices here will start from 25 million dirhams. The payment plan here will be 60-40, 60% during construction and 40% here will be on handover, which is expected by August 2030. The EUI process is going to start very soon. And if you are interested in securing a unit here in the most iconic project of 2025, then get in touch with me, call or WhatsApp me for updates, for brochures, layouts, and I'll be able to assist you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.